Oh boy. Today was a day. It just tested me. A little bit upset. I had made an amazing video for you guys. Day 2. I recorded it all. Literally a lot. It was a chaotic day. I'm a little bit upset right now. Actually, I'm very upset. I started working 1:15 and I stopped at 9:15. I worked a whole 8-hour shift. I made $206. And I think we parked wrong. I have to move. Yeah, I made $206, 207-ish. I'll upload it right here. I took screenshots of everything. I thought I had finished the video. I thought I saved everything. I was updating it while I was in the parking lot and everything. I messed up. I ended up deleting it because my phone was getting stocked up with memory. So yeah, I guess this is gonna be a short video, a really short video, not what I wanted to do. I had a really good video, but whatever. I would show you guys how much I made, how much I made, and I made 206, 207, whatever. Grind it out. Made 168 yesterday. We're still working at rate. I just wanted to make the video. Circumstances happened and ended up not going the way I wanted it, but whatever. We all have bad days, and one of them was today. But I have a positive mindset. I'm gonna go work out, get a quick deadlift session in, and yeah, well, I'll work on the video right now and update everything. I don't remember all the orders on top of my head, but I'm gonna put them all up here somewhere. So, the first one was $21. I ended up, the first order, it was a 2-batch order, but it wasn't actually. I guess the customer got ordered twice. So long story short, I went and dropped off that order to one house. Then I got a second order. So that was a $21 order. Then I got a $26 order, I believe. What's that, 26? Or it might have been a 23. Might have been a $23 order. And I went to go pick it up and drop that one off. How much memory in that one? Yeah. And then I did then I think it was taking forever for me to get an order. Not forever, but like 10-ish minutes. I took a Grubhub order. I think it was like $20. And then as soon as I was doing that order, I got a $33 Walmart. And I took it, and then so I dropped off the Grubhub, came back, went to go sign in for the Walmart one. So this is when I told you, when my day was really starting bad. I'm there, I signed in, and I'm waiting for like 30 minutes. And then I talked to a guy, like, hey, I've been here for a while now. I checked in, I don't know why. I said, can you check if the app checked me in? Because there's been times when Spark has done that to me where I check in, and in the app says I'm checked in, but their side doesn't show that I'm checked in. So he's like, no, you're not checked in, but I'll check in right now. So thankfully he got my order right after I talked to him, but I was like 30 minutes Spark there. But on that time I was editing the video that I was doing, the initial one that got deleted, because it's just my day, you know. But yeah, I think that was a $33 order. Everything's gonna be here, it's gonna make more sense. And then so I did that, and took a little bit dropping it off in the apartment. But I came back, and I think I took, no, lies, the $33 order, I got it right away, and then I dropped it off, and then I got the $26 order, and that one is the one that took forever, and so you guys will understand. And then after I dropped that one off, I was getting a little bit upset. I was like, man, this is literally not going my day. And then I think I ended up getting I got a Walmart order. It was $21. It was taking me, it was like 20 miles, taking me back to Crystal Lake. It was gonna be a drive, but then I got a Grubhub order, which only made sense. I took them both at the same time. I got a $20 Grubhub that was taking me to Crystal Lake, literally like maybe a minute away from the Walmart. So I went to go drop off the Grubhub order. I picked up the Walmart order. Then I went to go drop it off. So that ended up, and I ended up getting the 2 people tipped me in cash. Ended up getting, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 in cash for that one. I already counted it with the earnings, but yeah, so that order itself, so I think it was a 21 plus 11 was 32, plus a $20 Grubhub, 52. I'm so stupid. $52 that 1 hour. So it kind of revived me, like, man, everything's going back up. So I'm like, it was going really bad, and I'm like, man, everything's going back, it's getting really good again. And I took, I think, one last order, which was like $28, and I just finished it. And I was so excited. I finished it. I have the video. I'm like, man, I have the whole video over. I finished this. I'm gonna go ahead and work out. It's just like the perfect day. Nothing can ruin it. It started bad and it was going horrible, but I kept a positive mindset, positive attitude. I made up for the mistakes and everything, and I ended up, boom, slapped in the face. Like, I don't know, something out there wants to get me down, mentally down, like unfocused. But hey, I had a good day. I made over the $166. I made over it. I made $207 and a couple cents. I'll put it right here how much I made. So yeah, we grinded out. We're looking pretty good. We just don't have a full video, at least not a good exact video that I wanted. Everything that I showed, how I was doing deliveries and everything. But hey, we gotta keep grinding, right? So now I'm gonna hit the gym. I know this is not a quality of videos I want to put, but it's what I can show. Like, I should have the proofs of the orders, which I'm gonna put. I don't know if I put it before. I'm gonna put it now, but I'm gonna put it. But yeah, I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna go inside, eat a little bit. I'm gonna say hi to my little girls. I have 2 little girls, so I'll reintroduce myself, keep introducing myself, who I am. I have a 3-year-old daughter. Her name is Weslyn, and I have a 6-month-old daughter too. Her name is Kira. And I have a dog. She's a Pomsky. Her name is Bella. And my fiance, Madeline Hash. She's 20 years old, about to be 21. So yeah, we're a young couple with huge responsibilities, huge kids, but we do make a lot of money together. And I want to share to you guys how I make my money. She makes more than me. Yeah, she does. She makes more than me. We're both just hustlers, and we're just trying to grow. But yeah, I'll update this video, finish it, because she's probably waiting for me. She probably needs help with the kids, and I'm gonna put the kids to sleep, and then I head to the gym and call it a day. Tomorrow, wake up early. I'll deliver a good video. Day 3. Nothing. I don't care how things go. I already cleared my video sections in this app, so everything should be going good. But yeah.